Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip to check out, again, the Mirage. I keep thinking it's my last time at the Mirage, but it's hanging in there. As a matter of fact, I think the Mirage is going to be around until, I'm going to say the end of 2024. At least the name Mirage is. It's definitely owned by the Hard Rock at this point. As a matter of fact, if you Google Mirage Las Vegas, it takes you right to the Hard Rock's website. So Hard Rock has definitely taken over the joint, but they are leaving the name Mirage in pretty much all the Mirage branding probably until sometime next year. But who knows, right? I thought it would be gone by now, and it's still hanging in there, and I thought this was going to be my last trip. And son of a gun, I'm traveling again in a couple of weeks, and I will be able to visit the Mirage once again, and that makes me very happy. Another change I've noticed is that the MGM Rewards card no longer works here at the Mirage. The Unity card does, which is the Hard Rock's Rewards card. Hard Rock in Atlantic City has been very generous for me in with regards to comped rooms, and hopefully some of that friendship will rub off on the new Hard Rock here in Las Vegas, and I'll be able to get some comps here too as well. Who knows? We'll see, but it might not happen for a while. In any event, let's check out the Mirage. We'll walk around the outside for a little bit and then go inside. I always say feel free to ask questions in the comments below, but I have to be honest with you, I don't know a lot of answers to the questions here about the Mirage, and quite honestly, a lot of people don't. Hard Rock is getting all their ducks in order. I do know the volcano's going away. I know that the huge guitar hotel that they want to build has been approved by Las Vegas, and that's pretty much all I know. I don't know much about timelines, what's happening when, and just a lot of things are up in the air. I'm sure Hard Rock knows what it's doing, but they're just not letting a lot of people know. But hey, feel free to ask questions, and I'll let you know if I have the answer, and chances are I won't with regards to the Mirage, but I'll let you know that I don't know at the same time. This is the Rum Bar, a very cool, somewhat new lounge here at the Mirage. What's going to happen to it? I don't know. I know lots of creators on social media are also in the dark with regards to Mirage, but I will tell you, anytime I find something out about it, I will post it in the community room. And do me a favor, if you hear anything about it, let me know as well, and I'll share it and pass it along with the rest of the New York community. I'm here in a few weeks, and you guys definitely know I will visit the Mirage. It's pretty much been my home away from home here on the Las Vegas Strip for the past several years. I'll probably do a slot pull while I'm here, and I'll see what I can find out. And whatever I can find out, I will pass along to you guys, probably in a follow-up video. The LeCirque show Love, featuring music from the Beatles, has been here at Mirage for several years now. It's a fantastic show. I've seen it. And what's going to happen to it, I don't know. It seems like a perfect match for the Hard Rock, it being themed around the Beatles. But again, LeCirque seems to be predominantly in MGM properties here on the Las Vegas Strip. I think the only exception is right next door at the TI, where Mystere is, another LeCirque show. So is it going to stay here? Again, I don't know. Hopefully I'll have some answers to these questions further down the road. I've been a Beatle fan my entire life, and I amassed quite a collection of Beatle memorabilia over the years. However, many years ago, I got into a financial bind. It happens to everybody eventually, and this was decades ago, but I had to sell everything I owned as far as Beatle memorabilia, and it really saved my butt as far as financials are concerned, and I really hated to sell it, but again, every time I think of those years, I think, hey, the Beatles got me out of a hole. And although the memorabilia has been gone for years now, I still hold on to the most important thing, the music. I'll always have that. I've always loved these glass flowers by the Mirage's High Limit Room, and hey, Hard Rock, if you don't know what to do with them and you're getting rid of them, you know how to get in touch with me. Will this lounge still be around in a year or two? We'll see. You see what I did there? Osteria Costa is an Italian restaurant here at the Mirage. The Mirage has several wonderful restaurants and lounges as well, and I'm determined during my upcoming visit to visit as many of these restaurants and lounges as possible and bring my experiences to you guys in the form of videos. I realize I'll be passing up other experiences on the Strip in doing so in the upcoming trip, but you know what? They're not going to be around that much longer, and all those other restaurants and all the other hotels and casinos will be there when I return in another trip. So this trip is going to be focused on the Mirage with regards to restaurants and lounges. This is the pantry, and I can't count how many times I've had a good breakfast here, and I'm going to have another one on my next trip.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Robert Camacho. That's right, the Camachos are back in action. He found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City video, a tour of the Centurion Tower room at Caesars in Atlantic City. Congratulations, Robert. So I'm not sure what's going to happen to these stores and restaurants here at this end of the building. Also in question is the tram that goes from the Mirage to the TI. I did a video on that quite a while ago. It's a free tram that takes you in between the two hotels. I'm not sure if Hard Rock's going to keep that either. I hope they do. The Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden is definitely going away. I believe they've already found homes for the big cats and most of the dolphins. I think there's a couple of dolphins still left here. Hopefully they'll find homes for them soon. This is the old Mirage buffet. It's been closed for years now, and from what I understand, I've never eaten there, but from what I understand, I wasn't missing much. Not one of the better buffets here on the Las Vegas Strip. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.